Hi guys, it's our official day 2 here in Southern Mindanao. We are still here in Zamboanga. It's currently 8 o'clock and today it's gonna be special again because madadagdagan na naman ang mga provinces na mapupuntahan natin, and we're gonna go to a new province. We're gonna go to, again, one of my dream destination. Hindi siya puntahan ng mga tao, and iba yung portrayal ng social media dito sa province na ito. And ngayon, sabi nila wag daw pupuntahan. Sabi ito daw ay kuta ng mga rebelde. Pero pupuntahan namin ngayon. Titingnan natin kung totoo pa rin ba. Itatry. Hindi of course. I think marami nang nabago sa province na ito, and I think it's time for this province na makilala siya kasi sobrang ganda niya. Hindi pa namin napupuntahan pero sa picture, marami nang ibang travelers ang napunta dito, and sobrang saya kasi nga ay nadidiscover na itong province na to, and sa picture pa lang sobrang ganda na, and we're excited to go to Basilan! Hindi ko akalain na makakapunta kami sa Basilan agad-agad this 2026. This is our first travel this 2026, and we're so excited. So papunta na kami ngayon sa Zamboanga Port, and nag-book na kami ng aming ticket sa Wisam Express. This is isa sa dalawang fast craft papuntang Basilan. So we're gonna go to Isabelas, is it a city? Hindi ko alam. Baka Isabela City, Basilan Province. So doon kami bababa. And we're gonna go to one of the best island in Basilan, which is Malamawi Island. Maui. Katunog ng Maui. And ito yung tinuluyan namin kagabi. Yan, we are here at Winsel Suites. Yan. Ito lang guys yun, sobrang basic lang. Very pang backpacker vibes, pang traveler vibes, sa budget friendly vibes. So ito ay 1,600 plus, yan, lalagay ko na dito magkano. For one night for 2 packs. Yan, sobrang basic lang, just a basic accommodation. Got a queen size bed, ang pinaka-importante queen size bed, and aircon, TV, and then closet. Yan, yun lang. And then may table dito, malawak din naman siya. And a basic CR. Yan. Ito yung toilet, and then sink, and then shower. So yun lang, napaka-basic. So yun guys, let's go. We're so excited, kinakabahan. Mixed emotion pero mas sobrang excited na ako. Kami pumuntang Basilan! Let's go!
Sir! Sir!
Naandar na guys. It's real. We're gonna go to Basilan. Touchdown, Basilan! Nandito na kami guys after an hour, right?
1 hour.
Ngayon naman ay maghahanap kami ng
Tayo sasakay, dami mga guys.
boat pa Malamawi. Doon lalabas tayo. Doon sa kabila yun. Another boat ride. Dito naman kami guys sa bangka. So paglabas nyo ng Basilan Port, doon lang siya may bukas. Paglabas nyo ng Basilan Port, doon lang kayo, kakanan lang kayo, tapos dire-diretso. Tapos meron doon yung mga bangka papuntang Malamawi. We're off to Malamawi Island! Let's go! Guys, grabe. We're here in Basilan, in Malamawi Island, here in Pahali Resort, and look at this guys, grabe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sobrang speechless. Grabe. Nakaiyak. We've been to Boracay many times, El Nido,
Cebu. Sabi, parang tumatapat siya doon sa mga top island dito sa Philippines. Minus the crowd. Kung gusto nyong parang mala private island resort, dito kayo guys sa Basilan. Grabe. Look at the water. Hindi ko akalain na ganito. Parang AI. One din. Oh my God. Ang ganda mo. Oh, nawag-swimming. At Pahali Resort guys. Sobrang ganda. Punta muna kami sa resto bar kasi ay 2 PM pa yung aming check-in. Ayun yung kayak. Huwag na kayak mamaya.
Ay, pack na pack. Parang nasa Boracay. Ang ganda
Parang Boracay, no? Sobrang pino nung sand. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. So here's the resto bar. Yung kakarating lang namin.
doon pala ang mga room.
Ayo, ang lapit lang ng room natin. Ayun yung villa namin. Parang AI.
Parang
Hindi to AI guys. Look at the background.
Totoo yan.
Parang AI. Parang tayong sticker. Grabe
Saya ng
guys.
mahal ko.
I'm so happy I celebrated my 30th birthday here in Basilan.
Ang ganda.
Yeah. Sa Holosulu talaga kami pero marami nangyari. Mahirap yung transportation and then the transportation schedule lalo na
Saturday lang.
oo, Saturday and Sunday lang ang biyahe ng fast crab. Gusto kasi namin na yung fast crab para mabilis, hindi masayang yung time. We only have limited time here, we only have 4 days. Kaya yun. Pero meron naman yung 8 hours na biyahe. Pero ay sayang kasi yung oras eh. So I think this is better. God's plan. Yan. Lalo na yung nangyaring lumubog na barko, yung Zamboanga to Jolo. So kakapangyari lang niya ngayong February kaya medyo mahirap pa talaga yung transportation pa Holosulu. But of course, nasa itinerary pa lang. Nasa ano pa rin namin, bucket list pa rin ng Holosulu of course. Pero I'm so happy with God's plan. Yan. We're in Basila. And look at this guys. Grabe. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, parang private island. Sobrang kunti ng tao. It's like Boracay, El Nido, pero less ang tao. I mean, wala yung mga tao. If you want that kind of vibe guys, punta na kayo dito sa Basilan sa Malamawi Island. Pahali Resort. Grabe, ganda oh. Ganda, nice. Parang AI. But this is not AI guys, this is real life. This is real life. So happy.
So,
Ito na lang. Dito pa rin kami guys sa Pahali Resort and nag-order lang kami doon sa kanilang front desk and ng lunch. So 40 minutes pa daw yung iintayin kaya ito muna ang aming pinagong ang kinakain. Of course. Tell me you're from Quezon without telling me you're from Quezon. Of course, ang pinagong hindi mawawala. Ang baon namin. Oh, sarap mag-relax dito guys. Grabe. Look at our view. That's our view. Ay, sobrang ganda dito guys. Kaya ulit-ulitin ko pa. Grabe. Mindanao is really super underrated. Kaya siya ay favorite ko. Ay, alam niya ni Mahal na I really love places na yung wala masyadong tao. Like it's undiscovered, uncrowded. Hindi siya puntahan ng mga maraming tao. And I think deserve talaga ng Basilan na I think makita pa ng ibang tao. At mawala na yung stigma, yung general thinking na pag sa Basilan, pag sa Southern Mindanao ay delikado,
Mababait ko yung mga tao dito eh.
Grabe. Sobrang opposite. Dahil kung sinasabi sa inyo guys, opposite sa kung ano yung ina-portray ng media
Kahit,
sa social media.
kahit mga tricycle driver, mga
Oo. Sobrang mabait nila,
Pero-
sobrang helpful. And the best part is it's very budget friendly. Sobrang it's cheap compare sa mga touristy spots sa Philippines, like of course sa El Nido, sa Boracay. Like it's really gonna be expensive, like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times pa nga.
pagkain sila.
But here, sobrang cheap ba? So we booked an overnight stay here in Pahali Resort and it cost us 4,200 plus. Ilalagay ko na dito kung magkano. Yan, pero siya ay 4,200 lang and it's a villa. So mamaya natin makikita. Yan, parang nandito sila. Yan. Parang meron lang silang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 villa lang dito. Kaya kung gusto nyo rin dito magstay ng overnight, just contact them sa kanilang Facebook page na Pahali Resort. Yan. Guys. So ngayon ay magdo-drone shot na kami guys. Let's see how beautiful Malamawi Island from above. Hi guys! It's lunchtime here in Malamawi Island, Basilan!
Ganda!
Sobrang ganda guys. Grabe, parang nasa AI kami.
Parang AI yung bako.
Yeah, this is what we've ordered. Shrimp and buko juice and the chicken barbecue. Yeah. Happy birthday! Magkakanta ka? Day to
Naka-red pa yan si Mahal.
Yeah, because it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Mahal. I love you.
Love you, man.
Super ganda ng ano mo, Mahal.
Grabe,
Birthday celebration natin.
every year pa-level up ng pa-level up ang ang birthday
Yeah.
celebration ko dito sa Mindanao.
Iyak na.
Yes. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Thank you for my 20s era. I really enjoyed my 20s era. Grabe yung adventure and
Ang dami nangyari.
yung pagtupad ng aming mga pangarap. We really worked hard na matupad lahat ng pangarap namin nung kami 20s. And now we're 30s, this 2026. It's also the beginning of more adventure and more achievements and more blessings, more dreams to fulfill.
Yes!
Yes. Gonna be more adventurous this 30s. Talagang gagawin namin lahat para maabot yung aming mga pangarap. And we're so happy that we're here. Super, super happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. This is really such a privilege. Sabi ko nga kay mahal ko kanina, Like hindi lahat makakapunta dito sa Basilan, dito sa part ng Philippines. Because syempre yung lagi natin pinupuntahan is the usual, the Boracay, El Nido, Cebu. And we're so lucky and blessed na we got the chance, we got the opportunity na makapunta dito. Like
Kahit
even
ang
if
layo.
kahit sobrang layo ng biyahe and the stigma and of course yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao na it's dangerous here but it's really not. So we're happy na hindi namin pinakinggan yung mga ganong negativity. And look at this guys. We're living the dream. Paraiso. Sobra, literal.
Kaya pala ang tagline nito is, watch.
Oh, the province that you need to watch.
Yan, you need to watch.
That's the tagline
Kasi
of Basilan.
ang ganda.
Yes.
You need to watch.
Kasi I think it's really the time for us. It's gonna be the time for Mindanao to really boost their tourism. Kasi grabe.
Yan, oo.
Look at this guys. I think every Filipino, not just Filipino, everyone deserve to
Ganda
see
ng
and experience
Pilipinas.
this kind of beauty, especially us Filipinos. I think we really need, we deserve because we're Filipinos and we're living here. We are blessed with this kind of places na hindi natin kailangan magpakalayo-layo katulad ng ibang foreigner para lang ma-experience yung ganyang ganda. So we're really blessed and hopefully mas marami pang tao maka-experience ng Mindanao. Now, let's eat guys! Yeah, this cost us 290 pesos yung chicken barbecue and ito naman ay 320 pesos. Like mura siya compare sa ibang luxury resort. And this one buko juice is 70 pesos. Grabe guys.
Let's eat.
Parang AI.
With the beef. Kain tayo guys ng mura.
This is the life. And hi guys, andito na kami ngayon sa aming villa. It's already 2 o'clock p.m. Nag-check-in na kami. So here's the other villa. They have 5 villas and we're so lucky. Nandito kami sa Villa 1, which means it's beachfront. Yan, sobrang lapit namin sa beach. Here's our view. It's gonna be our view for 2 days and 1 night. Sobrang grabe. And let's have a villa tour here in Pahali Resort. Look at that guys. Sobrang luxury resort vibes. Yan, dito sa labas, sobrang ganda. So we have here a table and 6 chairs. Ayan, ganda ng villa nila. And yan, nakabukas na agad. Walang reveal. Look at that guys. 2 queen size bed. Na-upgrade ata kami. Parang na-upgrade nga. Tapos ay dun sa baba, meron pang dihila. So parang pang family talaga itong room na ito. So pwede kami magpagulong-gulong dito. Look at that guys, sobrang lawak. Yan. And sobrang lamig ng aircon. Sobrang refreshing. Yan, let's try the cushion. Oh, sobrang lambot. Sobrang lambot. Yan, ito lang ang laman ng villa. Sobrang minimalist lang. With the high ceiling curtains. Which we love. Kamukha nung curtains nung sa bahay. Sa bahay namin, sa kasayayain. Yan, yan si Mahal, si Madam. Bagay na bagay dito sa villa. Yung color yellow mong mahal ko. And here, napakaraming high ceiling curtains. Nakaka-social talaga itong mga high ceiling curtains. And this one, sobrang laking mirror. Yan guys. So yun lang. And they have here some complimentary soap and shampoo, tissue, and some cups and mugs. Yan yun lang. Sobrang minimalist lang dito. And let's look at the bathroom. It's an outdoor bathroom. Yan. Island life na island life. And here's the shower. Look at that guys. Sobrang aesthetic. So dito ay may sink. So yan, outdoor talaga yung shower. Yan. That's it guys. That's gonna be our stay, our villa for 1 night. Yan, ito naman yung ibang angle. Look at that guys. What anong gagawin namin sa 2 queen size bed? Sobrang lawak dito. Sobrang lawak. And pagkalabas mo, so yung mga cottages and their restaurant, their bar, and the beautiful beach of Basilan. Look at that, guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Hi guys, it's dinner time! Yeah, grabe yung experience namin dito sa Pahali Resort. After namin mag picture-picture kanina, mag-drone, we took a well-needed rest. Nagana muna kami, nag-siesta. Yeah, nag-idlip muna kami. Hindi pala idlip yung tulog na yun. Tagal ng tulog namin hanggang mga 4 o'clock, mga 5.
5.
Tapos after nun ay nag-swimming na kami.
Kaya
Yan.
basa.
Di na namin kayo dinala guys, di na namin dinala yung camera. Tsaka hindi muna kami nag-drone para we feel the moment. Yan. Sobrang sarap mag-swimming guys. And then after that, nagpunta kami doon sa
Bridge.
may bridge. And ang ganda ng drone shot namin doon sa kaninang may sunset. And now we're having our dinner.
Kami lang tao.
Oh yes. Wish granted na sa aking birthday. Kaya ako talaga pinipili Mindanao kasi laging kami lang lagi ang guest. Parang talagang private resort. And narentahan mo yung buong resort. And we're here in the resto bar sa beachfront. And here's our view. And here's what we've ordered. Sanay chicken barbecue, may malay fried chicken, and some ketchup, and soy sauce, and calamansi. Let's eat! Hi guys! It's our day 3 here in Malamawi Island, Basilan! And today, we're just having our morning walk. And we're trying to feed the fish. Kaso ay, parang tatakot sila. Ang ganda dito guys. Ang ganda pag morning, kitang-kita kung gaano ka-blue yung water. Tapos sobrang daming isda. Tingnan nyo guys. We're now having our breakfast guys, and this is our breakfast. So ito ay free breakfast kasama doon sa binayaran namin na overnight stay. So ito yun, 2 sunny side up egg, and some tuna, potatoes, tomatoes, and a slice of mango, and coffee. And of course the best part is the view. Look at that guys, the view of Malamawi Island. Still here in Pahali Resort. Yan, kami lang talaga yung guest ngayon guys. Para talagang nirentahan namin ang buong Pahali Resort. Yan. Look at that. Sobrang ganda sa mga blue-blue yung tubig. Let's eat! Day 3 in Basilan. Let's eat breakfast guys.
Tuna and
Ako ng breakfast food lagi daw.
by the beach.
Yes. And we're the only ones here. That's it guys. Sobrang ganda ng Pahali Resort, Malamawi Island, Basilan. Nakita niyo naman dun sa mga drone shot. Grabe, parang AI. And look at this. This guys, no filter. Not AI. Look at that. And we have the beach all to ourselves. Look, walang katao-tao. Nasa cottage yung iba. Yan, meron ng mga guests na magde-day tour. Look at this guys. Tignan nyo yung kung kaano ka-clear. Crystal clear yung water. Look at that. Sobrang linaw. Parang mga swimming pool. Look at that guys. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. May mga isda guys. Thank you Lord for this view, for this day. Thank you Lord. Now let's test the sand. Yan, sobrang pino guys, parang sa Boracay. Look. Yan, sobrang pino ng sand. Sobrang white. Sobrang pino. May mga konting mga corals like this. Yan. Pero meron din namang mga part na wala. Yan, lalo na dun sa part na yun. Yan. Nakita nyo guys, we rented a kayak. Again, sobrang sarap magkayak. Natumba pa ako kanina. Sobrang view. And guys, I think we're gonna have our lunch. Hindi, we're gonna go swimming na. swimming and then lunch. And we're gonna pack up. We're gonna leave Basilan. And we're gonna explore Zamboanga again. We're gonna go back to Zamboanga na. We still have like half day today and then tomorrow half day again. So we're gonna explore more of Zamboanga. So I'm happy that in my 30th birthday celebration, we've accomplished 2 provinces agad. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. And we're still fulfilling our dream to finish the 82 provinces here in the Philippines. Let's go guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming journey. We're leaving Basilan guys. Dito kami ngayon sa loob ng Visam Express pabalik ng Zamboanga. Yan, ganun ulit. Binook namin yung aming ticket online sa visamexpress.com. And nandito naman, tinry naman namin ngayon yung first class. So nandito kami ngayon sa loob. Yan si Marcos.
Mga idol ng Alipan.
Yan, si Marcos. Magkaiwala yung aming seat number. Yan, dito sa first class ay may aircon. Yan na yung aircon. Yan natin. And may TV. Yan, TV. Yan. So yung tinry namin nung papunta dito ay yung viewing deck. Yung nakita nyo guys sa labas. So may pamimilian naman. So meron 3 klase ng seat. Merong viewing deck, tapos first class, tapos economy class. So ito yung mga price. Yan, like, yan. We're gonna explore Zamboanga again guys. See you in Zamboanga. Hi guys, it's our day 4 here in Zamboanga. So yesterday we were in Basilan and now we're gonna explore again Zamboanga. And for our first destination in our day 4, nandito kami ngayon sa napakagandang
Ganda, guys.
Rainbow Malls. Look at that guys.
Kami lang tao.
Yan, sobrang ganda. It's our first time to visit this kind of mosque kasi yung mga napapuntahan naming mosque sa Cotabato, sa Malaysia. Iisa lang yung kulay, sa Cotabato is gold and white, sa Malaysia it's blue, and here it's colorful.
Colorful.
And talagang Zamboanga yung vibe talaga. Kasi sa Zamboanga sobrang colorful. Parang yung culture talaga nila dito napaka-colorful. From their tricycle, from their Vinta boat na famous, and from their mosque. It's
Mga
so
bahay.
beautiful. Yan. Sobrang saya namin guys. It's really a good experience na makarating sa mga ganitong places kasi sobrang iba sa ating religion, sa ating culture. Yan, pag napunta talaga kaming mosque, sobrang kami talaga na-amaze kasi it's very rare na makakita kami ng mosque. Especially sa Quezon Province, wala. Hindi ko alam kung may mosque na. Pero hindi pa kami nakakapunta doon. Wala pa kami napupuntahang mosque doon sa Quezon Province. And yan, seeing this kind of beauties, sobrang fulfilling. So this is what traveling is all about. Seeing their culture, seeing our differences, and appreciating it. We're off to our second destination in our 4th day here in Zamboanga. And this is gonna be our last destination. It's gonna be super special because we're gonna go to Sadiq Grand Mosque. It is the largest mosque in Southeast Asia. Let's go guys! Hi guys! We are in our next destination.
Yeah, ganda.
Sobrang ganda guys. Look at this. We are in Sadiq Grand Mosque here in Zamboanga. And as of now, ginagawa pa rin siya. Pero ngayon ang ganda na agad. Hindi pa siya tapos. So kapag siya ay natapos, nakita ko, na-research ko na, it's going to be the largest mosque in Southeast Asia.
Ganda.
Sobrang nakakilabot guys. Look at that. Yun guys, i-draw na natin para makita natin kung gaano kaganda ang Sadiq Grand Mosque, the largest mosque in Southeast Asia.
ما في ايدي وانا في قلبي دحر الوالدي دحر الوالدي
Goodbye, Zamboanga! Thank you, Zamboanga and Basilan, for a wonderful trip. It's a memorable trip. Grabe ang 30th celebration ko. One of our best trip. Lagi naman pag nandito kami sa Mindanao, it's one of the best. Thank you, Lord. We're leaving na. See you again, Mindanao!